My name is Benkert and my company is Benkert Banke. We are producing street furniture that we send all around the world. We started 35 years ago with traditional production methods in timber products, then went over to producing furniture in stainless steel. A few years ago we started producing slats out of PET with an aluminium filling, and that gave us also the idea now to go one step further and use 3D printing as a next step and bring the product to a next level. Designing products like that is a complete different process, as we usually use other machinery like bending and laser cutting and stuff like that. So and there we have restrictions, just like for the laser it's all in 2D. So most of the products are designed from a 2D situation, what you can do with the machinery you have. And now you suddenly have the possibility to go in 3D, in more bigger 3D than only cutting out parts and welding them together. So it's giving you much bigger freedom of design and develops absolutely different products. So this is a product that we couldn't produce 1 year ago. So we've designed this product, and just for this booth here at the fair, we've designed one version that is that fits exactly in this place. So it's a modular product, basically made out of 3 designs that can be connected together. You can have the straight part, you can have curves, you can have the stool bench, you can have that part where it's going from backrest to no backrest. You can have any curves, you can incorporate planters and stuff like that. So it's for architects, it's really a lot of possibilities to design it and make it really big. If you want to have it 100 meters long, you can make it 100 meters long. So we are having a flex spot with a 2x4 regular print bed, and additionally we have the heated print bed that we mainly use for our prints, as we want to have a clean start of the product. We use in general recycled materials to reduce our CO2 footprint and be more sustainable. We also use transparent materials for just like what you've seen the light tables. It's a very limited range of materials we're using, as you've got to know your materials and what you can do with them. So it's at least we only use PEPG with glass fiber or the transparent PET. What we are coming from is stainless steel furniture. So I have the possibility that I have really good trained people in my metal shop. So we've invented a connection that we can put parts together and also afterwards put parts out, even if it's standing on a fixed place. So we can replace parts, and even that, you see that color is a special color that is from CEAD. So we have that color specially made and powder coated, but regularly we have all RAL colors on our range, all RAL design, NCS, all kind of colors. In total about 8,500 different colors that you can have. And there's also a possibility to color the complete bench with a master batch, so you can have it like you want it. That's a nice customization possibility for all the clients. If you want to take a look on our regular products, you can see and visit us on benkert.info. We will showcase several new products that we have printed now in the near future.